Good morning. So here we're going to highlight two of our little happy babies. We've got our little Peggy Sue. And she came from the Hondo shelter. She's a tripod. She's about 7 months old, and right now she weighs 22 pounds. And she's a typical happy, playful puppy. We don't know exactly what happened to her leg. The vet said it was not surgically done. So it could have been that she was born that way as far as a birth defect, or maybe she was injured at some point in her life. But as you can see, it does not stop her 1 minute. She's the happiest, cutest little girl. Come here, baby. Come here. And then we have the handsome Charlie. And Charlie was saved by a private rescuer down on the border of Mexico from a neglect situation where he was very, very thin, had fleas and ticks. So she rescued him, and then he came to us. And he is super nice, super social. He's got the cutest little nubby tail that we don't know. I haven't touched it and messed with it, but I think at some point it must have been broken off. Maybe, I don't know. And he's about 2 years old, and he's 23 or 24 pounds. As you can see, super social, loves other dogs. Yeah. And this is the prettiest, little sleekest girl ever. She's very petite. She's not, it's just automatically something, when you look at a black dog like this, you want to call him a black lab, but I don't think there's any lab in her. I think she's probably got some Chihuahua, a little larger Chihuahua type, maybe a little whippity. She's got a real long nose, kind of bird doggy looking, maybe some kind of pointer. I don't really see any lab in her face at all. And he looks like a little schnauzer, scruffy. He's got beautiful coloring. And the little tail, when he wags it, it goes up and down. It doesn't go sideways. Poor little kid. You want to go get a toy and show how cute you are? And then we're going to do your pictures, okay? All right, come on. Come on, you want to go get this ball? Look what I got. There they go. Come on. Charlie, want to get it? Look. He probably needs to go potty. And she says, I can run fast on my 3 legs. You want to go get that ball, girl? Huh? Look. You want to go get it? Go get it. Love them both. They're both fabulous, fabulous puppies. Yeah. As you can see, extremely social. They would do great in just about any kind of household, honestly. Both very nice.
Yeah, this is just...
Yeah, it's just like 2 inches long, right? I don't know.
It's got a kink in it.
Oh, it's got a kink?
Yeah, just like a knuckle.
So it could have been possibly gotten caught in a door or something like that. And that's the way it healed. I don't know. That's a pretty girl over there. There's my pretty girl. She's so gorgeous. Yes. And there's Charlie. Yeah. She said, I love my people. Yeah, I love my people. Yeah. So happy she's here. She's so precious. I don't think she's going to get much bigger either. She's sleek and pretty. Little lap dog. She's not very social. I'm very trained. I can be trained. I'm cute as can be. You gonna go get your toy and show how you can run? No, there's her little leg. I don't know if you can see it, yeah. Sorry, baby. But you're fine. Yes, you are. Yeah, you're fine. Just call me hippity hoppity. Easter's on the way. Yeah, she says I hop a lot, and this is what I like to do. And then I lay down and get my belly rubs. You want to get your belly rub? Yeah, there's my girl. See, there's her little leg. Yeah. See, I'm beautiful. I'm Peggy Sue. They even wrote a song about me. Yeah. Yeah, hippity hoppity. I can't get close enough. See those hairs? Let me see those hairs. Let me see those hairs. What are you doing? You silly. You silly. I'll leave that on. Leave it. That's what I hear about the hot dogs. What's that? I got a squeaker. Come on, come on. Hippity hoppity girl. Peggy Sue. Mwah. Yeah, you're my good girl. Yes, you are. Oh, I just realized the hot dog's up there. Oh, you are a smart girl. Look, maybe she is some kind of a sit hound. She says, "Go get me that hot dog. I know what's up there." Where's the hot dog? Peggy Sue, where's the hot dog? Huh? Where is it? Did you get it? You showing me where it's at? Say, I'm a bird dog. I'm pointing to the hot dog. Where is it? Go see. Go show me. Where is it? Peggy Sue, what you doing? What you doing? She says, Mom, that hot dog's up there. You want me to get the hot dog? You want me to get it? You're a smart girl. You are super smart.